On y'all, Stoke Racing Repair here, and in today's video we are picking up another LS for my blue S10. I'll show a picture of it right here if you guys haven't seen it yet. But I got another one that I'm going to pick up now. This one is complete, has all the front accessories on it, basically everything I need. So thanks to Robertsons Used Auto Parts, they're in Mapleton, Illinois, so check them out. They're going to hook me up with this alongside Winter Circle, and we are gonna get this LS stabbed in this this S10 this winter. So let's go pick this motor up.